Mongolia, a country of immense charm and millennia-old traditions, stretches between Russia and China, offering breathtaking landscapes and a unique culture deeply rooted in history and nomadism. This vast land, known for its extraordinary natural beauty, holds a rich cultural and historical heritage that dates back to ancient times when Mongol tribes dominated the vast Asian steppes and forged one of the most influential civilizations in history. Mongolia boasts an extraordinary variety of landscapes, ranging from endless green steppes to the majestic Altai Mountains, from the cold expanses of the Siberian taiga to the fascinating golden dunes of the Gobi Desert, one of the driest and most mysterious places on Earth. This landlocked country is characterized by an extreme climate, with harsh winters where temperatures can drop as low as 40 degrees Celsius, and hot, dry summers. Rainfall is scarce, making the territory predominantly arid or semi-arid. Yet this has not prevented the development of remarkable flora and fauna. Mongolia is home to unique endemic species such as the Przewalski's horse, the snow leopard, the Bactrian camel, and the Mongolian gazelle, which have adapted to extreme living conditions and contribute to the country's biodiversity. Mongolia's history is inextricably linked to the figure of Genghis Khan, the legendary leader who, in the 13th century, united the Mongol tribes and founded the Mongol Empire, the largest contiguous land empire in history. Under his rule and that of his descendants, the Mongols created a trade network that connected Asia to Europe, fostering unprecedented cultural and technological exchanges. His legacy is still omnipresent in the country today. Towering statues, museums, and epic tales celebrate his achievements, keeping alive the memory of a golden era. The capital, Ulaanbaatar, is home to the National History Museum, where visitors can admire artifacts and relics from Mongolia's imperial past, as well as the monumental Sonjin Bulldog Complex, which houses a colossal equestrian statue of Genghis Khan, symbolizing his power and enduring influence. Nomadism is an essential component of Mongolian culture. About 30% of the population still follows this ancestral way of life, moving with their herds and residing in traditional gears, the characteristic circular felt tents designed to withstand the harsh climate. This lifestyle, deeply rooted in tradition, is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the Mongolian people. The lives of nomads follow the rhythm of the seasons and the needs of their livestock, which play a central role in their economy and culture. Animals such as horses, yaks, camels, and goats provide milk, meat, wool, and hides, making self-sufficiency a fundamental principle of Mongolian society. Despite its strong nomadic traditions, Mongolia is undergoing a period of rapid modernization. Ulaanbaatar, a city in constant evolution, is now the economic center of the country, with modern skyscrapers rising alongside Buddhist temples and centuries-old monasteries. The country possesses vast mineral resources, including copper, coal, gold, and uranium, which form a crucial part of its economy. However, increasing industrialization poses significant challenges, as Mongolia seeks a balance between economic development and the preservation of its environment and ancient traditions. The contrast between modernity and tradition is particularly evident in the outskirts of the capital, where many former nomads have settled in urban areas, seeking new opportunities while facing difficulties associated with rapid urbanization. One of Mongolia's most fascinating locations is the Gobi Desert, a region that evokes images of lunar landscapes and unexplored lands. This desert is not just a sea of sand dunes, but also a territory rich in biodiversity, home to rare animals such as the Mongolian gazelle and the Gobi bear. Moreover, it is famous for the discovery of numerous dinosaur fossils, including those found at the Flaming Cliffs, where the first fossilized dinosaur nests were unearthed in the 1920s. The Gobi is also traversed by ancient caravan routes that once connected China to the west along the Silk Road, making it a crossroads of commercial and cultural exchanges. One of Mongolia's most significant celebrations is Naadam, the national festival held every July, which honors the three manly arts: Mongolian wrestling, horse racing, and archery. This event has medieval roots and represents a moment of great national pride, attracting visitors from around the world. Another fascinating tradition is eagle training, primarily practiced in Bayan-Ulgi province, where Kazakh herders have passed down the art of hunting with these magnificent birds for generations. The Eagle Festival, held every autumn, offers a spectacular display of skill and connection between humans and nature, with competitions and demonstrations that celebrate this ancient practice. Mongolian cuisine is simple yet hearty, primarily based on meat and dairy products, essential for sustaining the body in the harsh climate. Traditional dishes include kushur, fried meat-filled dumplings, booz, steamed dumplings, and airag, a traditional drink made from fermented mare's milk, particularly enjoyed during the summer months. Mongolians are known for their hospitality. Visitors are often offered salted milk tea and dried cheese, symbols of sharing and respect. Food is not just nourishment, but also an expression of the nomadic way of life and adaptation to the surrounding environment. Despite being one of the least densely populated nations in the world, Mongolia offers an incredible wealth of cultural and natural treasures. From vast grasslands teeming with wild horses to the ancient ruins of Karakoram, the former capital of the Mongol Empire, to Buddhist monasteries nestled among the mountains, this country continues to captivate travelers and adventurers in search of unspoiled landscapes and authentic traditions. Whether it's exploring the steppes on horseback, attending a traditional festival, or delving into the history of great empires, Mongolia remains one of the most fascinating and mysterious destinations on the planet, a place where past and present intertwine in a unique and awe-inspiring balance. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos.